Life moves fast. The demands of work, family, and social commitments can be overwhelming. We are constantly bombarded with information. Our attention is pulled in 1,000 different directions. It's easy to feel swept away in the chaos. Many of us live in a state of perpetual busyness. We rush from one task to the next, rarely pausing to catch our breath. This constant state of overdrive takes a toll. It can leave us feeling exhausted, stressed, and disconnected from ourselves and the world around us. Welcome to the world's trending pulse. Get ready to dive into a dynamic world of content that keeps you informed and inspired. Whether you're seeking motivation to kickstart your day, or want to explore our exciting countdowns of the world's top 10, there's something here for everyone. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss a beat as we pulse through the hottest trends around the globe. Now, let's go ahead with the video. Stress is more than just a feeling. It's a physiological response to perceived threats and challenges. When we experience stress, our bodies release hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones prepare us to fight or flee from danger. While this stress response is helpful in acute situations, chronic stress can have detrimental effects on our health. Long-term stress can contribute to anxiety, depression, heart disease, and a host of other ailments. It's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress and cultivate a sense of inner peace. In the midst of this chaos, there is a solution: mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about becoming aware of our thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without getting carried away by them. Mindfulness is not about emptying the mind or achieving a state of bliss. It's about learning to be present with whatever is happening right now, whether it's pleasant or unpleasant. And the best part, it's incredibly simple and accessible to everyone. One of the easiest ways to practice mindfulness is through your breath. Breathing is something we do every moment of our lives, yet we often take it for granted. By bringing our attention to this simple, natural process, we can cultivate a sense of peace and presence in our daily lives. Simply take a few moments to notice your breath as it enters and leaves your body. You don't need any special equipment or a specific setting. Whether you're at home, at work, or even in a busy public place, you can always return to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or the gentle sensation of air passing through your nostrils. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. This simple act of paying attention can anchor you in the present moment. As you focus on your breath, you may notice that your mind wanders. That's perfectly normal. Our minds are naturally active, constantly thinking, planning, and worrying. When you catch your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to your breath without judgment or frustration. This practice of returning to the breath can be a powerful tool for managing stress and anxiety. Each time you bring your focus back to your breath, you are training your mind to be more present and less reactive to the distractions and pressures of daily life. This simple exercise can help to calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and increase your sense of presence. Over time, you may find that you are more centered, more grounded, and more at peace with yourself and the world around you. So, take a moment now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just be. Let the rhythm of your breath guide you to a place of calm and tranquility. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Each breath is an opportunity to start anew, to reconnect with the present moment, and to find a little bit of peace in the midst of our busy lives. So, whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed, just take a breath. You are always just a breath away from peace. Meditation is another powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness and reducing stress. It allows us to step back from the chaos of daily life and find a moment of peace and clarity. Imagine sitting quietly with the gentle sounds of nature around you as you focus on your breath and let go of the worries that weigh you down. It's a practice that has been around for centuries, and there are countless different techniques to explore. From the ancient traditions of Zen and Vipassana to modern mindfulness practices, each method offers unique benefits and insights. Whether you prefer guided meditations, silent retreats, or simply sitting in stillness, there's a style that can suit your needs and preferences. At its core, meditation is about training the mind to focus and become more aware. It's about creating a space where you can observe your thoughts without judgment and connect with your inner self. This practice helps you develop a deeper understanding of your mind and emotions, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Even just a few minutes of meditation each day can have a profound impact on your well-being. You don't need to spend hours in meditation to experience its benefits. Starting with just 5 or 10 minutes a day, can help you build a consistent practice. Over time, you may find that you naturally want to extend your meditation sessions as you become more comfortable with the practice. By practicing regularly, you can learn to observe your thoughts and emotions without getting swept away by them. This ability to detach and view your mental landscape objectively can be incredibly empowering. It allows you to respond to situations with greater calm and clarity rather than reacting impulsively. Journaling your experiences can also enhance this process, providing a space to reflect and gain insights. This can lead to greater emotional regulation, reduced stress, and increased feelings of peace and contentment. As you continue to meditate, you may notice a shift in your overall outlook on life. Challenges may seem less daunting, and you may find yourself approaching each day with a sense of gratitude and presence. The journey of meditation is a personal one, but its benefits can ripple out into every aspect of your life, fostering a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. You might be thinking, I'm too busy for all this mindfulness stuff, but the truth is, even the busiest people in the world make time for mindfulness. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul with a demanding schedule, credits meditation with helping her to stay grounded and focused. Similarly, professional athletes like LeBron James and Serena Williams use mindfulness techniques to enhance their performance and manage the immense pressure of their careers. Mindfulness is not a luxury, it's a necessity for anyone who wants to thrive in today's fast-paced world. The journey to inner peace starts with a single step. It's a path that invites you to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to connect with the world around you in a more meaningful way. Imagine yourself walking through a serene forest, the rustling leaves whispering secrets of tranquility, or standing by the ocean, the rhythmic waves washing away your worries. These moments of connection are the first steps on your journey. You don't need to become a monk or spend hours in silent contemplation. Start small. Begin with simple acts of mindfulness that fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Perhaps it's savoring a warm cup of tea, feeling the steam rise and the warmth spread through your hands, or sitting quietly in a cozy corner of your home, allowing yourself to just be. Take a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness, whether it's through breathing exercises, meditation, or simply paying attention to the present moment. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body, the way your chest rises and falls. These small practices can anchor you in the here and now, providing a refuge from the chaos of daily life. Or simply paying attention to the present moment, observe the beauty around you, the vibrant colors of flowers in a garden, the gentle sway of trees in the breeze, or the mesmerizing hues of a sunset by the water. These moments of awareness can bring a profound sense of peace and connection to the world. The benefits of mindfulness are cumulative. Each moment of mindfulness builds upon the last, creating a foundation of inner peace and resilience. Consider keeping a journal to reflect on your experiences, noting the moments of calm and clarity that arise. Over time, you'll begin to see a transformation in how you perceive and interact with the world. The more you practice, the more you'll experience the transformative power of bringing awareness to your life. Yoga, meditation, and other mindful practices can become powerful tools in your journey, helping you to cultivate a deeper sense of presence and well-being. Imagine yourself in a serene environment, your mind and body in harmony, feeling a profound sense of peace. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There is a community of like-minded individuals who are also seeking inner peace and mindfulness. Group meditation sessions, wellness groups, and supportive communities can provide encouragement and companionship, reminding you that we are all connected in our quest for tranquility. There are countless resources available to support you, including books, apps, and online communities. These tools can offer guidance, inspiration, and practical tips to help you integrate mindfulness into your daily life. Whether you prefer reading a book, using a mindfulness app, or joining an online forum, there is something out there to support your journey. Start today and discover the peace that resides within you, waiting to be uncovered. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a curious mind. Each step you take brings you closer to a state of inner calm and balance. Remember, the journey to inner peace is not a destination but a continuous path of growth and self-discovery. So, take that first step and let the journey begin. Thank you for tuning in to the world's trending pulse. We hope you enjoyed this video and found something that sparked your interest. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts below. We love hearing from you. If you want to stay updated on the latest trends, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep exploring, keep trending, and stay curious. See you in the next video.